Well, heidi ho, guys. I'm trying to figure out new ways to start videos, but I stink at it, so you get whatever I impulsively say. So this is your next drawing. All right, we're going to knock this one out, and then I want you to do one on your own, and then we're going to call it quits for this year. If this is 2016. If it's not 2016, then who knows what I'm doing or what's going through my head at this point in time. So anyway, let's get going on this one. Probably a lot of gray hair coming out of my head, but yeah. All right, so this one you are going to use layers. All right, really want to see like hidden lines and center lines and stuff like that. All right, especially the center lines and the hidden lines. All right, so I'm going to start off with a line. It's going to be this 5-inch line right here. This is an object line to start off with. Okay. All right, this is my distance from right here to right there. All right, let's do these circles first. These are diameter circles. So to save myself time this time, I'm going to use the diameter circle one over here. So click here, 2.63, my first one. Do it again. 2. Do it again. 1.5. See? Not too bad at all. All right. 2-inch spacing right here. We go up 1 inch and then just shoot it over to here. Press enter, because it's my last command. Go down 1 inch, shoot it over to here. Okay. I need to set up the placement of these two circles next. So I'm going to offset this line 0.75. So click here, go over. That's okay if it's not over there. Kind of like me today. Offset 1.88. This to here. So I need two circles right here. So these are diameter circles, and I don't have a measurement up there, so I'm going to put one in there. 0.5. Easy enough. Diameter, 0.5. Or, instead of redoing it again, I can click it, click this middle dot right here, type C enter, move over to here, bada bing, bada boom, I'm done. Alright, now I want to draw these lines right here. Now, there's a few different ways I could do this. Guess what? I'm doing it the easy way. Alright, that's what you guys like about me. Offset, 0.63. This, that's not 0.63, it's 0.63 up. Offset, 0.63. Make this guy go up 0.63 and down 0.63. Now, this guy needs to come out here. So I'm going to offset that 3.38. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Let's trim. I'm going to trim from this side so I don't have segment lines out there, because that annoys me. And a lot of you guys don't like to erase. You just want to trim all day. As glorious as that is, it doesn't always work. So move this line right here. Okay? My centers, for the most part, I'm done, but I'm not quite done. These are supposed to be blue hidden lines. Here's how you change that. You highlight these lines right here. Move your mouse up here, change this to hidden, and now they go blue. Okay? You see here my dimensions are red, and there's some center lines here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this guy right here, move him all the way over to the middle, click here, change this to a center line. Okay? Now, during my dimensions, I'm going to change this just because it's bugging me. I want these all to be red. This one I will ask for extreme accuracy on. Okay? But I'm going to do it with you this time. So, I'm going to change this to dimension. Click on diameter. Click here and go inside. Now, you notice I don't have these big crosshairs. Here's why. Erase this. I want you to type in the command dim center. No, dim cen. Close. Change it to negative 0.12. Now if I do this, watch this. Boom. There it is. Press enter again. Boom. Press enter again. Boom. You got your little center lines. Okay? On these two circles right here, we're going to do another diameter one. I'm going to do something else in this one. You double click on here, on your measurement when you do it, You do the left arrow key, so your cursor is over here on the left-hand side. Type 2x, so there's 2 of them, and you got that ready. Now we have 2 of those. Now we just got to add in all the other fun stuff, and you're good. So I'm going to just do regular linear dimensions, since these are not lines. So from here to here should be 5 inches. Press enter again. From here to here should be 3.38. Looking good. From here to here should be 3.8. It came up 3.7, probably because it's rounded up. Probably because there's no decimal in there or something. Do this one. And then I'm just dumping these someplace, not being too neat about it. Pressing enter. There we go. Pressing enter again. Boom, boom. Pressing enter again. Boom, boom. And there we go. Okay. Now we're going to print this. Now, real quick, I'm going to just move mine up so there's just one on a sheet here, because I want these printed separately just so you guys practice burning paper. Okay, once again, going down here to size A, click here. There's my one dude. He's in the wrong location. I'm going to double click on here and move him over. Okay, scale it first. Probably 1 to 2 again, but you have to set it. Let's see if I can go 1 to 1. Yeah, no, 1 to 2 looks better. Okay, move that over so we don't have the hangover there. We don't have that little stuff hanging over. Not hangover, but the stuff hanging over. I'm in trouble again. Okay, everything else is set up. Remember, one more time, go up here, go to print, continue, 216, print it off. You got another problem done. Okay, I will be giving you one more problem for you to do on your own. This will be your last video, at least for this year. If you have any questions, as always, please ask. And you guys should be good to go. And then we'll do a test, and then we'll be on Inventor, and then everything's hunky-dory. We'll leave off on hunky-dory, shall we? Goodbye.